Hello, welcome back to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll be addressing a common issue that how to fix WhatsApp voice message problem. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips. Step 1. First, open your Google Play Store app on your Android device. You can find it in your app drawer or on your home screen. Step 2. Search for WhatsApp in the search bar within the Play Store. If there is an available update, you'll see an update button next to the app. Tap on it to ensure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed. Step 3. Navigate back to your home screen and open your device's settings. You can usually find the settings icon in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping the gear-shaped icon. Step 4. Scroll down in your settings menu and look for the Apps or Applications section, then Manage Apps. Tap on it to access the list of installed apps. Next, find and select WhatsApp from the list. Step 5. Within the WhatsApp app settings, you'll see options like storage. Make sure you're in the storage section. Step 6. Here's where we troubleshoot. Tap on Clear Data to remove any accumulated data that might be causing issues. After that, select Clear Cache to clear temporary files. This step can help resolve voice message problems. Step 7. Go back to the main WhatsApp settings page and tap on App Permissions. We need to ensure that WhatsApp has the necessary permissions to function properly. Step 8. Find the microphone permission and adjust it. Select Allow only while using the app. This way, WhatsApp will have microphone access only when you're actively using it, which can help with voice message reliability. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.